Bye-bye.
Sunday, October 1, 2017, 22:29 and 19 seconds.
Welcome to Language Line Solutions. Please enter your 6-digit client. Please hold for...
Thank you for calling Massacre-Second. My name is Monica. I'm curious what recording.
Hi, this is, we're on 911. Can you ask me if you need police, fire, or medical?
Just do, what's the language you're requesting?
Oh, I apologize, sir. It's going to be Spanish.
And have your personal number?
The telephone number?
Your personnel number?
Oh, my personal number, it's 16186.
16186, and
yes.
You're requesting Spanish, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please hold while I get you connected.
Tranquilízate, por favor.
Calling Language Line Solutions. This is Angelica, ID number 215770 for Spanish. Do you have the caller with you?
Yes, we're on 911. Can you ask her if she needs police, fire, or medical?
Buenas, 911. ¿Necesita la policía, ambulancia, bomberos?
Lo que sucede es que nuestros amigos están en son del helicóptero y nos llamaron que ahí hubo un tiroteo, hay heridos y hay rehenes y todo.
¿En dónde están, disculpe?
Son del helicóptero, en el tour del helicóptero, pero no sabemos exactamente dónde es. Dice que tienen rehenes y hay tiroteo y todo, no sabemos.
The thing is that our friends are in a tour in Sun, the helicopter, and it seems that they have them hostages. They called us, and they're saying that there is a shooting and everything.
And they're in the helicopter. Are they in the helicopter with the shooter?
Y ellos están en el helicóptero con el tirador.
Sí, ellos estaban teniendo el tour, pero ya le estoy llamando, no me responde. Solo me llamó que llamara a la policía, que tenía mucha red, había mucho tiroteo, pero no sé si es en el mismo tour o sería en el lugar donde está el helicóptero, no sé exactamente.
Well, they were in a tour. They just called us and they said that they need us to call the police because there was a shooting and they happened hostages, and I don't know if they were there in where the helicopter is located.
Okay, and so were they in a helicopter or are they at the Mandalay Bay at the concert?
Okay, ¿ellos están en el helicóptero o están en Mandalay Bay en el concierto?
Oh, ella estaba en el tour, en el helicóptero, no es que no me responde.
Well, they were in a tour on the helicopter, but they are not answering right now.
Solamente estábamos, él nos dijo que iba al tour del helicóptero y eso fue hace un tiempo atrás, y entonces y le recibió una llamada y un texto que llamara urgente a la policía porque había muchos heridos y habían rehenes, y que ellos estaban llamando a la policía y nadie respondía, pero ya no tenemos más comunicación con ellos y no sabemos exactamente dónde es que están.
We just know that they actually told us they were going to go on that tour on the helicopter, and then we received a text message from them saying that there was a shooting there and that there were many people that were hurt and that they have them hostages, but now we are not able to communicate with them. They said that they were trying to contact the police, but that they weren't able to.
Okay. Yeah, we do have officers there right now that are looking for him, so I'll go ahead and update that, okay?
Sí, ya nosotros tenemos oficiales allí y están buscándoles, pero voy a actualizar esa información.
Oh, un millón de gracias.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Con gusto.